Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone is keeping warm and doing well today. And my prayers go out to all of my YouTube family that's in Chicago and the neighboring states that are experiencing ridiculous below zero weather. Anyway, I want you all to stay warm and be safe. Today we're going to do some pork chops in the Ninja Foodie. And as you can see, these pork chops are very thick and they're halfway frozen. So I'm going to season them, pressure cook them, and then put them in the air fryer portion or the air crisp. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use just a little bit of the Mrs. Dash. Here again, I'm trying to cut back on so much sodium. But I said cut back, not eliminate. I'm also going to use my Himalayan pink salt with a pepper and garlic. Okay, let's get these over into the Ninja Foodie. Okay, I have the air crisp basket in the Ninja Foodie. I'm going to put in a cup of water. I think I can get these big old pork chops in here. Okay, here's the first one. And here's the second one. Okay, they're in there. Okay, I'm going to put on the pressure cooker lid. And make sure it is in the seal position. Okay? Okay, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to press pressure high. I'm going to do they're pretty thick. I'm going to do 15 minutes and start. Be right back. Okay, let me release the pressure. It should be all gone. And let's cut it off. Open up the top. Okay guys, they look good. I'm going to sauce these up now, and then we're going to air crisp them for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so let's get these bad boys sauced up. Okay guys, I just think I'm going to use some teriyaki sauce. So let's make some teriyaki pork chops. Okay, I'm going to use my handy dandy silicone brush to get the sauce on the chops. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I got the sauce on the chops here, the teriyaki sauce. I'm going to crisp this for about 10 minutes. Close the lid. Turn it on. I'm going to do air crisp 375. Ten minutes at 375. Be right back. Okay guys, here's the end product. Doesn't this look good? Isn't this a nice looking pork chop with the teriyaki sauce on the side? And remember now, I pressure cooked this and then I air crisped it or put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Look, this looks yummy. Oh, look. Look how that meat is pulling off the bone. Guys, look at there. Look at there. Not dried out. Yummy. Let's taste. Oh my goodness. This is melt in your mouth goodness. Look at that. Plastic knife cuts right through it. Look. Guys, I'm going to eat my dinner now. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I hope you all are warm and safe. Guys, this is definitely a winner. Oh my goodness, this is really good. So I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner now. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.